Crash course on the Hoover Dam and its engineering significance. The Hoover Dam is a marvel of modern engineering, located on the Colorado River between the states of Arizona and Nevada. Completed in 1935, the dam is named after President Herbert Hoover and is a key source of hydroelectric power and water for the surrounding region. Its construction required the efforts of thousands of workers and engineers, and its completion marked a major achievement in the development of modern infrastructure in the United States. The engineering significance of the Hoover Dam lies in its size and complexity. At 726 feet tall and 1,244 feet long, it is one of the largest dams in the world. It was designed to control flooding along the Colorado River and to provide a reliable source of hydroelectric power for the surrounding area. The dam's generators can produce up to 2,080 megawatts of electricity, which is enough to power millions of homes. One of the most remarkable features of the Hoover Dam is its use of concrete. The dam contains over 4.4 million cubic yards of concrete, which was poured in a continuous process over a period of 5 years. The concrete was poured in blocks that were 60 feet wide, 60 feet high, and 25 feet thick. This required a tremendous amount of coordination between the workers and engineers involved in the project. Another important engineering feat of the Hoover Dam is its use of water turbines. The dam has 17 turbines that generate electricity by using the force of water flowing through them. These turbines are connected to generators that produce electricity that is then transmitted to the surrounding area. The Hoover Dam's hydroelectric power helps to supply electricity to several states, including Arizona, California, and Nevada. The construction of the Hoover Dam was not without its challenges. The harsh desert environment and extreme weather conditions made working conditions difficult for the thousands of workers involved in the project. Many workers were injured or killed during the construction process, and the dam itself required constant maintenance and repair over the years. Despite these challenges, the Hoover Dam remains a remarkable achievement in modern engineering. Its size, complexity, and innovative use of materials and technology make it a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the engineers and workers involved in its construction. The dam continues to play a crucial role in supplying power and water to the surrounding region, and its legacy as an engineering marvel will endure for generations to come. Here are 10 interesting facts about the Hoover Dam. 1. The Hoover Dam is located on the border between Arizona and Nevada and was built during the Great Depression between 1931 and 1936. 2. The dam was named after President Herbert Hoover, who played a key role in getting the project approved. 3. The Hoover Dam is one of the largest concrete structures in the world, with over 4.4 million cubic yards of concrete used in its construction. 4. The dam is 726 feet tall and 1,244 feet long, and it holds back the Colorado River to create Lake Mead, one of the largest man-made lakes in the world. 5. The dam's construction required the efforts of thousands of workers and engineers, who faced challenging working conditions and dangerous environments. 6. The Hoover Dam's hydroelectric power plant can generate up to 2,080 megawatts of electricity, which is enough to power millions of homes in the surrounding region. 7. The dam's water turbines are driven by the force of water flowing through them, and the energy generated by the turbines is used to power the dam's generators. 8. The dam's construction required the diversion of the Colorado River, which was accomplished using diversion tunnels that were later filled in with concrete. 9. The Hoover Dam is a popular tourist destination, with over 1 million visitors each year. Visitors can take guided tours of the dam and learn about its history and engineering significance. 10. The Hoover Dam continues to play a crucial role in supplying power and water to the surrounding region, and it remains a testament to the ingenuity and perseverance of the engineers and workers involved in its construction. Here is a poem on the Hoover Dam and its engineering significance. Behold the great Hoover Dam, a marvel of man's engineering plan, a testament to human hands, built to withstand the might of rivers' command, a concrete colossus towering high. Beneath the desert sun it lies, built with grit and sweat and toil, to harness the power of water's coil. The mighty Colorado it holds in check. A river's flow it does redirect, to generate power that we need, to light up homes and to speed our deeds. Its turbines turn with a mighty roar, a testament to the power it stores. From the river's force it does derive the energy that keeps us alive. Its history tells a story of might, of men and women who fought the fight, to build a structure of such grandeur, a symbol of human strength and power. So let us gaze upon its walls, in awe of the engineering calls that created this wonder of modern man, a masterpiece that forever will stand. ******. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, Please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you, Anhub Metaverse team.